Hello, welcome back to my astrology basics crash course. Today we are going to go over the 12 zodiacs. We already went over elements and modalities, but I want to go over the 12 houses, 36 deacons, degree theories, and so much more. Like I said, we're going over the zodiacs. So this is the zodiac wheel. This is kind of what a birth chart looks like a little bit. Aries starts in the first house, then Taurus, then Gemini, and this is the order it always goes in and ends with Pisces. So we're going to be going over the archetype of each zodiac. I'm not going into much detail at all, but just so you know, I'm not going over somebody who has an Aries sun sign is definitely going to be like this. We're actually all a combination of much more than our sun signs. So for example, I am a Capricorn sun, but I'm a Sagittarius rising. So I'm not going to relate all the time to the archetype of Capricorn. Starting out with Aries, it's cardinal fire. It's ruled by Mars. It rules the first house. It's courageous, authentic, and passionate. Taurus is fixed earth, ruled by Venus, rules the second house, reliable, loyal, and sensual. Gemini is mutable air, ruled by Mercury. It rules the third house. It's communicative, outgoing, and witty. Cancer is cardinal water. It's ruled by the moon. It rules the fourth house. It's maternal, compassionate, and loyal. Leo is fixed fire. It's ruled by the sun. It rules the fifth house. It's confident, bold, and creative. Virgo is mutable earth. It's ruled by Mercury. It rules the sixth house. It's detail oriented. It's health conscious. It's pensive. Libra is cardinal air. It's ruled by Venus. It rules the seventh house. It's relational, diplomatic, and a great mediator. On to Scorpio. It is fixed water. It's ruled by Pluto and Mars. It rules the eighth house. It's intense. It's mysterious. It's passionate. Sagittarius is mutable fire. It's ruled by Jupiter. It rules the ninth house. It's philosophical and spiritual. It loves travel and other cultures, and it's innocent yet mischievous. Up next, we have Capricorn. It's cardinal earth. It's ruled by Saturn. It rules the 10th house. It's ambitious. It's career oriented, and it's responsible. Up next, we have my favorite sign. It's Aquarius. It's fixed air. It's ruled by Saturn and Uranus, and it rules the 11th house. It's humanitarian. It's innovative, and it's unique. And then finally, we have Pisces. It's mutable water. It's ruled by Neptune. It rules the 12th house. It's spiritual, creative, and intuitive. And that's all. It's just a quick rundown of the zodiac signs. Thank you for watching. And up next, we're going to be talking about the 12 houses.